Easy to install. Works with most roto-molded coolers. Works with all UTV beds. Straps are 58 inches long. Cooler is accessible while secured down. Keep your cooler firmly in place during off-road travel with Rough Country's UTV Cooler Tie-Down Kit. This convenient kit includes an easy mourning system and 2-1 tie-down straps designed to keep your favorite roto-molded cooler in place as you traverse off-road terrain. Say goodbye to sliding, sloshing, loose coolers, and tackle off-road obstacles with more peace of mind knowing your cooler is snug and secure in the back of your bed. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. Needed straps to mount a cooler to our side-by-side, but not willing to pay $50 plus for the Yeti version. These work well. Everything is a nice metal with quality straps and for a better value, but still too expensive in my opinion. They held the cooler in place on a long and rough ride.